Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to find trending products with a rank. So guys, first thing that you will do is simply go to the left side over here. And the best tool that we have is trends over here. And now you will have the trend buzz. And from here, you should be able to see the trending products. And as you can see, the number one is unique gift for dad and t-shirt, wall art, and now you could change the marketplace over here. So you will have here multiple options. So just simply select which shop are you in. So let's say I'm gonna go for Facebook Marketplace, and we will have here the number one ranking keyword, and we could select the country as well and the time frame. Now you could also go for the monthly trends over here, and after that, you should be able to see here the most searched keywords, and you could consider it as your next product. And now you could change the date as well over here. So each date has their own ranking, and you could change the category as well in order for you to narrow down the searches and have the best results. And pretty much that's it. I hope this video helped you understand more. If you do, leave a like and thanks for watching.